So today at Cell Phone Repair Weatherford, we checked in this iPhone 11 that we are replacing the screen on. It fell in the concrete and completely shattered. First off, we're going to remove the bottom two pentalobe screws. And now we're taking a thin metal pry tool to go ahead and pry up that screen from the frame. And then we open it up like a book and set that screen down gently. And now we're using our tri-point screwdriver to remove the 3 tri-point screws over the battery cover bracket. And now we are removing the rest of the tri-point screws over the display cover bracket and then your proximity sensor bracket. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and unplug our proximity sensor and our display cables and remove that screen from the frame. And now we are removing the proximity sensor screws and Face ID screws. Once those are removed, we use that thin metal pry tool to go ahead and lift out the Face ID sensor and then the proximity sensor. Once that has been removed, we go ahead and open up our new screen. Alright, once we've had that new screen opened, we go ahead and put our proximity sensor back in it. It just slides right on in. And then we go ahead and put those proximity sensor screws back in. Alright, once those are all screwed back in, we go ahead and plug it into the frame once again. First, we plug in the Face ID connector. And now we plug in the display and touch connectors. Sometimes they do give me a little bit of a struggle. And now we're plugging back in the battery as well. And we're going to go ahead and turn that phone on, make sure that it comes on, and then we're going to go ahead and put that bracket right back over the display connector and Face ID connectors and lay that screen down gently. Alright, now we're putting that battery cover bracket right back on. Alright, and then we're going to slide that screen right back into that frame, press it down. And now we're going to put those 2 pentalobe screws right back in. Alright, now that we've put those pentalobe screwdrivers back in, we just need to put away our tools and make sure that the touch works. And that's everything that we had to do. Come see us to get your iPhone 11 fixed today.